Are you frustrated with the 403 forbidden error in WordPress? Don't worry, because in this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix this error and get your site back on track. Step 1. Check file permissions. First, let's check your file permissions. Incorrect permissions can prevent access to your WordPress files and folders. Using an FTP client or your hosting panel, ensure folders are set to 755 and files to 644. Update any incorrect permissions and try accessing your site again. Step 2. Verify the .taxs file. Next, let's check your .taxs file. This file controls many server-side settings, and a small error here can lead to a 403 forbidden error. Rename the .taxs file to something like .taxs_old and refresh your site. If the error disappears, generate a new .taxs file by going to Settings and click Permalinks in your WordPress dashboard and clicking Save Changes. Step 3. Disable plugins. Sometimes, a faulty plugin causes the error. Disable all plugins to identify the culprit. Go to the Plugins section, deactivate all plugins, and check your site. Reactivate them one at a time to find the problematic plugin. Step 4. Check security settings. Some security plugins or server-level settings can block access to your site. Check your security plugins for any restrictions. If you're still experiencing issues, contact your hosting provider to check server-level firewalls or IP restrictions. Step 5. Check index file. A missing or corrupted index file can trigger a 403 error. Ensure the index.php file is in your WordPress root folder. If it's missing, upload a fresh copy from a WordPress installation package. Step 6. Contact your hosting provider. Describe the issue and ask them to check server settings, permissions, or logs for more details. And that's how you can fix the 403 forbidden error in WordPress. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.